You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Do you understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything. I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Okay.
Do you want to scoot out?
On September 23rd, 2025, at 7:31 p.m., a flood of frantic 911 calls regarding an erratic vehicle culminated in a chaotic Florida traffic stop involving two women, Elizabeth and Delilah.
461.
We're literally going
Ma'am,
over there.
I do not care.
My friends live at the inn, and they were going to rent the place, and so
Okay. Do you have any guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything crazy in the car? Okay, ma'am, I'm talking to her, not you. Step over here.
Sir.
How much you had to drink today? There's somebody who's been behind you today.
I had a drink at overseas,
a
and we were
drink?
coming. Well, two.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain something.
Two
Ma'am.
drinks.
Okay. Stay in the car. A car got behind you. Shut the door right now and stay in the car. They've been behind you the entire time. You've been reported as all over the road. I then pull into here. You pull out of Tom Thumb without even paying attention to oncoming traffic. Then you pull into here. I light you up all the way at the top of the street. Then you continue to drive down. Make a wide right-hand turn. You're driving in the. Hold on. You're driving in the grass.
Right.
Okay.
I know that doesn't mean.
Stay right here. Stay in the car. Shut the door now.
Okay.
Ma'am, if I have to tell you to stop doing again, step up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What am I doing?
Stop. You're throwing. You're throwing. Stay right there. Don't move. Throwing out of the car.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, where'd that come from?
Wait, it's not that.
Ma'am,
It's really not.
have a seat.
Please,
Have a seat. Legs in the car. No, you're not sorry. Put your legs in the car. You're this close from me taking you to jail. Just put your legs in the car. Just shut your mouth and let me do my job. Put your leg in the car. Here's my question for you. You're operating a vehicle.
Right.
It's very clear to me that you have had way too much to drink today. You're slurring. You're slurring your speech. I can smell it on you. Your driving pattern. Ma'am, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Whatever you need me to do.
Are you willing to do field sobriety
Yes, sir.
exercises? You see this blue light right here?
Yes, sir.
I want you to follow this with your eyes in your eyes. Only do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Wherever this blue light goes, your eyes are going to follow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Not your head. All right. Keep your head straight. Just your eyes and
Yes,
your eyes
sir.
only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. That's my problem right now.
That's
What?
not my problem.
Right now, the criminal investigation is on you. Okay.
All right.
She's,
I just
okay.
all I can hear is her. And it's
Don't worry about her. You're worried about me.
I'm extremely claustrophobic.
She's already got her own issues.
All right.
Okay.
Please.
I stopped the car. I'm trying to talk to this young lady. We bring her back here. We're talking. We're having a conversation. This one's throwing evidence out of the car. I've told her like 3 or 4 times to stop. Finally, I just detained her. I'm at the point to where I...
Please. It's my neighbor.
Ma'am, okay, we're not worried about her right now. I'm worried about you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yep, destruction of evidence and obstruction, so...
I'm severely claustrophobic, please.
That tequila bottle was something... She started dumping out a bunch of booze and stuff out of the car.
Can you stop screaming?
No, I'm not.
You see this line?
Claustrophobic, I can't.
Listen, you're not getting out of the car.
Why the tire? At least open the door, please.
You're going to
I
jail.
promise.
What I want you to do is I want you to put your left foot on that line. Are you going to do it barefoot or with...
For what?
I think he already told you.
9, 10. I'm not doing anything. I just need the door open, please. 2, 3, 4, 10.
Okay. All right, last thing I'm going to ask you to do, face me right here.
Get out of the car. Come on, let's go. You want to get out of the car? Let's go. Get out of the car. I'm going to pull you out of the car.
All right, put your feet together and your arms down your sides like this, okay? While doing this, keep your eye on your toe at all times, keep your arms down at your side, and count out loud. Do not stop once you've begun, okay?
All right, you want to go ahead and play these convulsing games? Let's go. You're not...
Okay, listen, like this. We're not standing like Karate Kid. We're standing like this, okay?
Yes.
All right?
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
You're not convulsing anymore. You're good? Cool. All right. Hey, she's convulsing. So either you sit back in the car or you get out, and I call meds.
1, 2. I mean, I haven't.
Okay.
Do you want to scoot out so you could sit back?
But you want to help me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, ma'am.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Do you understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything.
Here, go ahead. Go ahead. Grab it.
I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Okay.
The roadside scene deteriorated into pure chaos after Elizabeth was arrested for DUI, while Delilah allegedly began hurling evidence, including a tequila bottle, out of the car before physically fighting officers to avoid the patrol cruiser.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go.
And you
Step
just
out.
smashed my face.
I didn't do anything. All right, now have a seat back in.
Order this inside.
Why?
I don't know, lady. I'm not the one that put you in
Go
the
ahead.
handcuffs.
Why?
Now have a seat. Good. Now scoot your butt back and swing your feet in.
What's your question? What did you?
Please, I don't want to have
No,
to use
put your
any
hands on
foreign.
me. Put your hands on
What
me.
did you do wrong?
I don't want to
Put
put
your
my
hands on
hand.
me.
From the get-go, from the moment you were stopped, you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. Hey, let me ask you, what else would your friend have been thrown out of the car other than the booze? You opened it.
listen
Shut up.
to you.
Shut up. You want me
Hey.
to get
Why?
get in the car.
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Hey.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your
Get in the
hands.
car. Your license should be in the center console, correct?
Yeah, my license should be in the center
What color is your
console.
purse? In the car.
Go
Have a
ahead.
seat.
Car.
Go
Jesus
ahead.
Christ.
I don't have a purse because I'm like a dude.
All right. You know what? Do me a favor.
May I show you?
For my safety, step back off of it.
Jesus Christ. Did she throw something out the window besides the bottle? Because
ZABETH.
Yes, I'm on my period, so I just got a tampon.
there's like shake everywhere.
Yeah, she
That don't have nothing to do with-
You're with your friend. You know your friend. You know what your friends use.
No, that's my friend.
Okay,
no,
okay,
I was trying to sell my boat.
To her. What did she have in the car? Like, I want you to be honest with me. What I'm asking you.
But I don't know.
What I'm at-
I don't
what?
know. I don't know about that.
What? So you're telling me you don't know her?
I know her, but I don't know. You never know what your
Okay.
friends are about.
Okay. So
This is, I guess, her.
yeah, it's her. Just leave it on the front of the car. All right, you're gonna have a seat in the car with your friend.
Yes, sir.
You might want to have a conversation with her, unless you want to get charged with everything.
We didn't do it.
Dela.
She was dropping me up here. We were gonna stay here because we knew.
Get your feet in, okay?
What the f, dude? None of this is our fault, okay? No.
There's drugs somewhere.
Yeah, I'm looking.
So listen, don't hit your head.
There we go. Yo.
What is it?
Lisa will come get us, okay? Well, let's not be rude. Let's not.
Yep. That's it.
Under the seat.
Under the seat.
Let's not be mean. Okay. Okay. Let's hold it together.
Okay, so this is what the passenger was throwing out the car. Bottle of tequila.
Didn't do nothing wrong.
I am claustrophobic.
On.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it is what it is.
Can you at least turn the AC on?
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to
What
the.
did I do?
Hold on. Do you understand your rights?
No.
You don't understand your rights? On me.
No. That's not my car.
That's not your car. Okay, now it's not your car. Okay.
It's not. No, I understand. That.
Okay.
This is bullshit.
Okay. Do you want to answer questions now without a lawyer present? No.
That towel is not my car. That's hers.
What? What drug?
No. Do you want to answer questions about the drugs that were found under your seat?
What drugs?
Okay. All right.
Piece of shit. God damn.
All right. That's fine with me. So why are you throwing out of the car then?
Papa, oh, okay. No, that thing fell out.
Oh, okay. All right.
The alcohol.
Just the alcohol, right?
No. Get me out of this.
It's cocaine, isn't it? Either that or heroin.
What drugs?
Baby doll, I promise you there's no drugs in the car.
There's some brown stuff on there too.
I swear to you, there's no drugs on my side.
What is it?
I don't know.
Then there's not a quantifiable amount, is there?
No.
I'm claustrophobic as please.
No. But
It was found under her seat.
yeah.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Finish up. If you find anything, let me know. I need to get a breath test on this girl.
All right, go for it, dude. I'll go ahead and take you in the car.
Can you please just pull this off my arm?
Pull what off your arm?
Oh, please. I didn't do anything.
4120. 2 females in custody so far.
Are you serious?
Relax.
No, I can't. Hey. Claustrophobic, I cannot. Please. Please.
What's your issue?
Please.
What's
take
your
this
issue?
off. Please take it off and
I'm
put
not
it
taking the
on.
handcuffs
I don't
off.
care. Take it off. Put it back on.
Well, you're under arrest for destruction of evidence and obstruction.
What did I
Do you
do?
understand? Ma'am, there's nothing wrong with your handcuffs. They're not
No,
tight.
it really is.
Okay. You were throwing stuff out of the
I
car.
did not.
Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna argue with you.
What did I do?
You don't listen. That's what you did.
No.
I have to go do a breath test.
Can you do it?
Would you mind or no? Apparently you're the only one who doesn't remember. How many times did I tell you to stop opening the door and stop trying to get out and stop throwing stuff out of the car? How many times? Okay.
I have the camera.
I do. No, she's all of a sudden I'm an asshole because she doesn't know how to follow simple instructions. Because the longer this goes, the worse it's going to get. No. Elizabeth, step out.
Yes, sir.
That's Sergeant Boussier. He's going to take you and take care of the breath test, okay?
Yes, sir.
And you've been cool so far, right? You've been cooperative?
We found the paraphernalia, the straw, which was inside a bowl with some white powder inside.
You didn't ingest anything, did you?
No, sir.
Sure?
I promise you.
I cannot let you out. No.
Can you like move my hair?
Promise you to go.
I mean, not because I'm trying to jam you up. I just don't want you dying.
No, sir.
You need to calm down.
Can you move my hair? I'm fine.
No, sir.
So I care about
I'm
you.
ready to go.
You're ready to go.
Fine.
Can I move your hair?
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry.
Hey, it happens, right?
Yeah, it does.
You realize how stupid this is, right? Okay. What's wrong with your hair? It's in your face?
It's in my mouth.
It's in your mouth.
Thank you.
Did you eat something?
No, you're mean to me.
I'm not worried about you being mean to me. It's about following instructions.
I know, I'm trying. I'm just
Okay.
scared.
Okay.
There's nothing in my system you could drug test.
I'm not about to drug test. I'm asking because I don't want you to die in the back of my car. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Thank you for cooperating. I know it's a situation. It sucks.
Yes, sir.
We don't want to be there.
I understand.
Okay. Okay. You will see a judge first thing in the morning.
Oh, my kids get to see a failed
Your kids
mother.
what? Who's with your babies right now? Their dad. Is their dad a good dad? Okay.
Erratic.
But obviously we got two different colors going on here. We got you who's calm, cool, collect. I made a mistake, and then we got the other one who doesn't want to accept her issues, okay?
Erratic doesn't give a love me.
Oh my god. It's like taking care of a baby.
Can you wipe my snot?
Better man than me. I don't know what you want to do with this.
You got purses and things.
Yeah,
and
I got photos.
God, man. Why do I always get stuck with the annoying ones?
Hey, I accept my issues.
I got you.
Thank you.
I'll put it in evidence. It's obvious there's some sort of pill or something in there. Do you have any cigarettes?
Yeah,
Let me get one.
I got cigs.
Not for me. It's for
Following the arrests on September 25, 2025, both suspects were transported to the county jail for formal booking and processing. The early evening incident, which began with multiple frantic 911 calls reporting a vehicle driving erratically and recklessly on Florida roadways, quickly escalated into a chaotic scene as both the driver and passenger actively fought the responding officers' investigation. In court, the body camera footage proved absolutely damning for both women. The video clearly documented the passenger, Dela, throwing a bottle of tequila and suspected illicit substances out of the car window, establishing an undeniable foundation for her destruction of evidence and obstruction charges. Her subsequent physical assault on the officers and aggressive resistance while being placed into the transport vehicle further solidified her felony charges for battery on law enforcement and resisting with violence. Meanwhile, the footage of Elizabeth's failed field sobriety exercises, combined with her refusal to submit to a breath test at the station, resulted in an automatic driver's license suspension and a swift DUI conviction. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.